Kevin Taylor the expose bi abetu dwa na hwan ho expose no de abeto ni nyina efa ye papa Kennedy Agyapong ho expose na Kennedy eye Kevin Taylor de abetu dwa unse nsem bi wo ho a obetimi ansa na obabeta social media so aka no ye mu bi a ye be hye dem abompa ya Fredo Nyankopon se ye de asem no ebeto abonten a asem ya emfiri humba na so Kevin Taylor de was sorry na so wonya akwan de bra be transit internet iso a no wo keka na dwen ne nsem no se hye kra ye de mfie du na ekra kra wo de simape ebe keka ne nyina Kevin Taylor se eye wo bi a MPP amambo no ni timu odin na ni timu osumpa wo di ewo secret wo kunkum nipa secret pa Kennedy Agyapong na mpo no Kennedy Agyapong planning se afin ko na wie 2024 abai enko na wie no Hopeson Adorye no ntiase na won tiase no hwan ne bekunu Kennedy Agyapong na ebo po ano odin se wo be yi Hopeson every one and what because Kennedy nakasa ebie na no to maka se ken Hopeson Adorye de wo swakra nti yenya no ma no no akasa ebe handle no enti ne se sia obi an ho no mobo pa Empress Gifty afin ko na wie de you cook show no ye be hu Empress wo so na ofra tuntuma oba be di kuna ano odin nti obi an ho no mobo sesi Gifty Adorye na ho no mobo enti Gifty want to maybe a won fa mboni yem na say na Kennedy abo afani kunu Adorye ho ma yenti emrasise
Kennedy Agyapong mo they are planning and plotting ahomku Hopeson Adorye muntie me Hopeson Adorye is one foolish guy I don't like man can't try na meboa with Jimmy and the foolishness na dey be no he's just foolish or Jimmy imrebi na on social media na konwa fimi na no ne yire ne tim no Kevin Taylor de ne beba and na ma me ajantic Hopeson Adorye dirty ne ho cross odwan kraman bema. So me, I don't like him. He's a dirty riffraff. And I would never respect him. Because nehu fini ajuni fini Jimmy no and then so me, Hopeson Adorye, I don't care. But I can tell you for a fact, Kennedy mo, they are plotting. On say Kennedy, I catch the MPP for say they should leave Hopeson Adorye to him. He will kill him. See. On say Kennedy, I catch the MPP for say they should handle Hopeson Adorye and Famano. Hopeson Adorye before election 2024, they will kill him. Na yire na nhoya me mobo, Hopeson Adorye yire nhoya me mobo. Obeye kuneni na nsen. They will find ways to kill Kennedy Hopeson. Now mangasa Northern Regional Chairman Kromo Adam Mahamud said, kuno simple. Go hwe ase gunusu kuno to twene. And Gregory Afoko da ho da BNI cells after almost 7 years. Almost omu yi no. Because omu yi na at the end of the day no, why na yenchi ne fanshim. The NPP will kill Hopeson Adorye. Kuno. So kuna make sure say they will cripple him to the point ni dan kron to into 9 frame. We need to get serious in this country. Kennedy cannot be trusted. About America, I'm coming to see Kevin Taylor. I'm not scared of Kennedy one bit. He is scared of me. Oh, free court, Edru Ghana. Has he mentioned my name before? But my catch then, I will sue. And I'll sue at the right time. After 2024, Kennedy Agyapong does not have diplomatic passport. I will sue. I'm telling you today, after 2024 elections, and the Emma diplomatic passport. Your green card has been taken away. You don't have a diplomatic passport for that immunity. I would see you. Prepare yourself. Internet I come back say for you to stay in power. I am telling you today. I will see you. Be prepared. It's my Dino. I do things when I think it's right. I will sue. And to do everything possible to make sure Bawumia wins power. ye din na ye hwa akwa we o start ko Ashanti region say yenkotoma ni nua na ni nua embeye bantama parliamentary candidate osako jira ka say MPP for ya kromfo MPP for say Ghana ba omia ntumi ndi Ghana nim na omotoma asenso boachi a obe expose NPP kwase awe ne kan asem no. You see the reason why I don't respect Kennedy, or a filthy liar, or ye or a kromfo na no ebe to me kunipa. So no ankasa enye sadia na no ebe to me kum. He does not care about anybody. Ena ya tutia nunua no e obantema ebe sinne we ntumi expose obia wa ankashi ena ba omia mutamu sika koma no say hey e ka wo boy nyina in the primaries no young people and omode omre hye omu anom ginsa wo de onim nyansa onya kromfo ena wo ka no kure no gisa sika we de bedi ba omi echi and do 2 o'clock na kwasea we efu plane ko Kumasi ekoye campaign ma ba omia se ba omia na mese wo ye kromfo ontumi mbu Ghana wa say Ghana sikasem $1 na otamede abedru ha no ba omia na ekufo adom nyina ebo kro no na aban MPP ewifo ro ende de ye ntoma ba omia kwasea we. You see why sometimes when I speak, Obisa K.i.l and Kennedy. Kennedy is a piece of shit. Onimu nyansa. Ohu Ghana for mudine chiso omwe Jimmy, and it is true. Majority of the people almost support Kennedy no. Omwe Jimmy for because they can't think, they can't reason. And or say there is hardship in this country. Now nimdi Osaka. Then he said this. I am begging you. I know it is tough, but Ghana is better off when we still have NPP in power. We are kwasia. O se Ghana ye ding. Odinka guys ba omia kromfo, ba omia nim Ghana, ontumi mbu Ghana. Se otuma ba omia, o to am ekufuado. Se ba omia contest John Mahama, there's no way ba omia betumi biti Mahama. Na ba omia say Ghana, omu fum sika. Ade chi o se Ghana ye ding. Owia o se o munsantuma NPP biem. We onyo dwan. We onya kwasia. We yede na no asem ebuman. Na wo so ye Kristo ni. E die na your principles. We ni bonsam difference be ne wom. We a young man. He has gone to take money. He is using you people. Mododo no mo Jimmy. Majority of you young ones following this guy, you are foolish. Enti utie ne kasemu a he can never be trusted. Makasa same way over and over. Kennedy is a disease of a politician.
Mese say yemi aba gift bibi anto no ye de nyina de mpabo ebetan na chi ai na bibia ye no ko fine ati se ye koye no etwentwa makra.